Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for today and have a look how the gold movement was today. Right, let me share my screen with you. Today on 17th of July, it was Empire State Manufacturing Index. It was positive and we didn't see much movement in the market. And hence there was no much movement. And going to 18th of July, which is tomorrow. Let's see what news we have. We had quite a few news, but for the gold, US and USD, in other words, we have news. And these news, just 1 second. So for gold, we have USD news, which is the main news for gold. And at 1:30 p.m. to have impact news, core retail sales, and retail sales, They may affect the gold price. Also, CAD news can affect AUD, can affect the gold price as well. And we've got NZD as well. Let's see if it have any impact on gold. Now looking at news of US dollar. So a change in the what is it? It's change in the total value of sales at the retail level, excluding automobiles. So actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Actual is expected greater in the forecast than previous. So let's see how the market behaves if the news is positive or negative. And next one is retail sales change in the total value of sales at the retail level. And it's actual greater than forecast is good for currency. And this is positive, expect forecast positive than before, and see what the actual news comes up. Now, going to Dixie. What did Dixie done today? Yesterday, Dixie went up a little bit, and today it went down. In fact, it went up and then went down. Let's see 4-hour chart. You can see it hasn't broke this level quite yet, and there's a rejection. And it looks like it has broke, but it may be in smaller time it's broken this level. But not really, no. So it's a rejection here. As we can see it, so many days Dixie is coming down and has broken this level. It's retested this level as well. And now we can possibly expect further movement to the downside. Just a daily chart, look into 4 hours. We can see further movement to the downside. This is just 4-hour levels. So we can definitely expect further move to the downside. And now going to our favorite chart, gold. Gold went down. First it went up, as you can see, and then it went down. So Dixie movement did affect the gold. There was a news effect as well. News didn't make much effect because this, although it was a heavy impact news, but it didn't make much difference. As you can, let's see, go to the time when was the news. So this big candle is the news candle. Uh, you can see the market went down because the news was positive. However, there was a level here as well. You can further, if you want to go to 5 minutes, you can further see consolidation here. And the gold did reject from here then. You can see in 1 hour. And now, although there is an order block here, this order block I was expecting and that it will be tested, but not yet. Maybe in next few days it will be tested. However, the ultimate movement we are looking for is this W pattern, as I mentioned. The market should come up to this level, or at least closer to this level. So market seems will be bearish today as far as daily is concerned, and tomorrow we can expect further movement to the downside. Especially if the news is positive, then it's a high probability the market will test this level. This level, in fact, this level can be tested. 1940 is a strong area as well. So we can expect further move to the downside tomorrow. And you can always scalp in 15 minutes and smaller time frames when there's enough volatility in the market. I hope this is helpful, guys. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.